Hello friends, myself Shiv Kumar. Today we are going to learn UiPath Document Understanding. We will learn document understanding in full detail step by step, and this course will totally dedicated to the UiPath Document Understanding. So first we learn what is UiPath Document Understanding. So in details, like whenever you are working in an organization have different departments, like IT department, HR department, and logistic department. There may be any kind of a department in an organization. So what that department actually do? So that department have different kind of work or a repetitive work, like for HR, online boarding, payroll processing. In the IT means asset allocation, in logistic, in and out. They are having similar kind of a task, means the repetitive task on a daily basis. So they process lots of document on the daily basis. And what the employee actually do, they read the document and fill the details in some portals or some softwares. Every time they read some data, so that data which they are reading may be structured or unstructured, and we will learn about the structure and unstructured document furthermore. But let's understand, like, they read some data from PDF, from document, from databases, and feed their information to some application in terms of a form, or in terms further they process on that data. Basically, in an organization we have some different departments, and each department have their own type of work in which they process some information and they extract some information from the different of sources. Now the document understanding comes in the UiPath, where we design to help the combine different approaches to extract the information from multiple document types. Means, like as earlier we have seen that we have different kind of a documents. So what we have to do, we extract, like we have a PDF, we have a document, and sometimes we have a form. So we extract some information from different of a source and process the information. If we say, like in a layman form, so what is the UiPath document understanding? In which we train our bot to extract the information from structure and the unstructured source of data by using different approaches. What is that different approaches? We will learn furthermore, like which approach we use to extract the information as the human being are doing. So we learn these approaches step by step or in the later videos. Please continue, stay with this channel playlist, and we will learn how we use the document understanding to extract the information from structure and the unstructured source of a data. So there are different approaches in the UiPath. They have a load taxonomy, digest, classification. In classification we have train, validate, extract information, then export. So if we count the step for the document understanding, we have first step, we have second step in the digest document, third step classification, fourth step extraction, then final fifth step is export the data. So there are the different approaches to extract the information from structure and the unstructured sources. So please stay with me and learn what is the document understanding step by step. So in next video we will learn structure and the unstructured data, what is the structured data and the unstructured data. And thank you for watching this video.